All right, so we want to solve this trig equation and we want to solve it between 0 and 180 degrees. Now, the first thing to note is that this is a quadratic equation, so we have to make it equal to 0. 2 cos square x plus 3 cos x minus 2 equals to 0. Now we have to factor this, but just to make things a bit easier, I'm going to say let a equal to cos x. I'm going to rewrite this as 2a squared plus 3a minus 2 equals to 0. And now this is a lot easier to factor. I need to factor with my man method. My m is 2 times negative 2, which is negative 4. My a is 3. So my two numbers are positive 4 and negative 1. I'm going to do factoring by grouping now. So 2a squared plus 4a minus 1a minus 2 equals to 0. Now factored by grouping. So 2a, a plus 2 minus 1, a plus 2 equals to 0. So 2a minus 1, a plus 2 equals to 0. So over here, my solution is positive 1 over 2, and over here, the solution is negative 2. Now I can replace the a's back with cos x, and I can solve. So cos x equals to 1 over 2, and cos x equals to negative 2. I'll solve this with my cast rule. Cos is positive in the first and the fourth quadrant. I'll do the cos inverse of 1 over 2 to find my acute angle. And that's just 60 degrees. So my first solution is just 60 degrees. My second solution is 360 minus 60, which is 300 degrees. But the question only wants us to be between 0 and 180 degrees, which means that my second solution here is invalid. For this one, I have cos x equals to negative 2. Remember, if for sine and cos, if your value is above 1 or below negative 1, there's going to be no solution here. Because you can't do the cos inverse of positive 2. You'll just get math error in your calculator. And sine and cos graphs have to be between negative 1 and positive 1. So the only solution in this question is 60 degrees.